and welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Passat. This is a 2 litre diesel BlueMotion Tech SE Business. Finished in blue metallic paint. We've got 17-inch London alloy wheels, as you can see, in a really good condition. You've got the chrome window surrounds and roof rails, and the rear tinted windows for that extra bit of privacy. There's another close-up of the alloys, really nice. We've got the tow bar to the rear. And I'll open the boot and I'll show you the inside. It's a really spacious boot. Get everything you could possibly need in there. As I bring you around the car, you can see it's been really well looked after by the previous owner. I'll open the back and show you the inside. As you can see, really nice condition, well looked after, and plenty of space in there. It would be a really good family car. So I'll get on in the car and start it up, and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. So on the inside, you've got your keyless start, you've got your 6.5-inch colour display, it's touchscreen with sat-nav built in. You've got your multifunction steering wheel with your adaptive cruise control. You've got your clock, and as you can see, really good sat-nav touchscreen as well. You've got App Connect, so you can connect to your phone. Driving mode selection to choose between Eco, Normal, Sport or Individual. Just depends on how you want your car to feel when you're driving it. You've also got front and rear parking sensors just to give you that extra bit of confidence. It's manual. You've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold. Here's a close-up of the seats. As you can see, really nice cloth. You've got the silver inserts on the doors and on the dash. Over there you've got your auto lights. You have got electrically adjustable heated and folding door mirrors, and all your electric window controls as well. So really hope you like the car. If you've got any questions at all or you are interested, please give us a call. Thank you.